Are you looking for reliable and efficient AC service? Then Dailypit has got you covered. For a limited time only, when you purchase 2 PowerJet service, you will receive 1 PowerJet AC service for free. Dailypit trained and certified technicians will arrive at your doorstep in just less than 90 minutes, providing hassle-free service to ensure that your home is running smoothly and efficiently. They guarantee an amazing experience with their top-notch service. And as a bonus, when you sign up, they even give you 100 rupees off on your first service. Their commitment to customer satisfaction means that they won't stop until you're completely happy with their service. You will be thrilled with Dailypit service just like our many other customers. So what are you waiting for? Choose Dailypit for all your home services needs and experience the satisfaction of working with a company that truly cares about your comfort and happiness.